بنات نحب نعلمكم اللي انا عندي this whole package نعمله unboxing. قلت ولا سهربي مانيش عارفه اسكو نعمل تيك توك انستغرام like reels and tiktoks or I should just include it in a YouTube video, and I'm not sure they're gonna want to include it in a vlog ولا نعمل a separate video, yeah, like a sit down unboxing ونحكيو شويه. So I don't know, but ماما هذه عندي زيادة this package يعني البارح فيه my new skincare stuff. Oh my god, البداية I just finished doing the unboxing for all of my new skincare products. Ignore that, I just put on press on nails because I wanted the video to look good when I do the unboxing. I don't hate them. You font l'affaire basically, but anyways, this is the aftermath. We don't like her. So I posted the unboxing for these on TikTok and Instagram, but I think I'm gonna do another sit down video on YouTube, talk about the products. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. نجم نعملو تشات ونحكيو شوية. But yeah, c'est la catastrophe. عملت يا سما unboxing by the way. I mean, go take these off. I mean, they're gorgeous. وبزل عندي this batch here of things. Like a sneak peek. Charlotte Tilbury, Huda Beauty. I still need to unbox that. Aman, look at this view. Maraha Masala. Absolutely gorgeous. I got 2 packages. Can't wait to unbox these. Let's do it. This is so hard with one hand. So I basically got like all these 4 items are just PJs, and then I got this dress before in extra small, but it didn't fit, so I got it in small. Hopefully it fits. And then just a bunch of, you know, like little cute tops for the summer, so that I have extra pairs of comfy PJs. So this was the H&M haul. I got a bunch of dresses. I just got a bunch of dresses from Mango, so I'm gonna be trying all these on and hopefully they do fit. But I got something in red, a few black pieces, white, this gorgeous, not purple, I can't remember the name of the color, but hopefully everything fits. Lebanon, 2 hours later, I tried on everything. Well, I kind of have an idea about how I want to style each piece, but this is the aftermath. I started cleaning it. It was way worse than this, but I folded everything back, hang what I needed to hang, and I'm so excited. Alhamdulillah ya Rabbi. Everything fits, everything looks cute, and I feel so ready for summer. So it's gonna be so exciting. Hasino. Maybe نعمل OOTDs when I do wear stuff. I don't know. Dressing متاعي is an actual mess and that needs to be sorted. So maybe نعمل a video about me, you know. خنوريك قلت لكم donc maybe نعمل a video about me organizing all of the skincare, body care, and then me organizing my closet. I don't know if that's gonna be good content or something you guys would be interested in, but one thing for sure, here that I did an unboxing. I have like a few Instagram reels and TikToks, so you can find them there. I'll have my socials linked. But we can go through I want to go through each and every single product together, so maybe that happens, I don't know. But the weekend I need to get back to organizing my room and yeah, get on with my day. I still need to work. Your girl is still a 9 to 5 babe, and we love that. Thank God for having a job that can finance this craziness. See you later. Bye. I thought I was gonna go out, but the weather is like not today. I'm gonna teach you how to play pool. Pool 101 with Kouka. Let's go. That's not how you break. معرفش اسمه. Anyways. So I got a package from Caudalie. I've always wanted to try their product, so I got a bunch of bundles. So you get a bundle that contains one full-size product, and then you get these two as a gift, which I thought was a good price. So I got the serum, the instant firming serum from Caudalie, and then I also got this mist. I heard really good things about it. I don't know what it's called, like beauty elixir or something like that. And then you get these two as a gift. And then I also got this travel size pouch which looked really cute. It's pink, and you get a bunch of products inside of it, but I got this for free. I used the coupon code, but I can't remember what it was. And this is like the micellar cleansing water, which is good to have the cream, la crème premier, I don't know, but I think it's from the anti-aging line, so I wanted to try that. Instant foaming cleanser body lotion, which has hyaluronic acid in it, which is always good for extra hydration. And then I got this moisturizing sorbet, and lastly this is the shower gel. So that's everything that I got from Caudalie, which is pretty cute. Good morning. اليوم بالحق ديبوردي بالخدمة. قمت زان 7:04 كيكة. ملي قمت لتو أنا نون ستوب نخدم بالحق برشا خدمة. عرفتك اللي تجيك فجأة برشا خدمة ولازمك تكملها. من بعد منجمش نوريكم فاش نعمل. It's absolutely insane. حتى صوتي مازال بالنوم، مازلت مكليت شيء. حسيلو الحمد لله ما بالحق وصارت لي فازة خايبة على الآخر زايدة في الخدمة. دونك كلي نوسع في بالي ونصبر في روحي وربي عديها الجمعة هي الكل على خير، خطرني الحمد لله وكاو. I'm not complaining, I'm just trying to share. It's not always as chill as you might think it is in my vlogs, which I always try to be like that. خاطر I love watching vlogs اللي بديو chill. It's all girly and cute, but the reality of things is I have to work to afford the lifestyle that I have, and I'm so grateful and thankful for that. نعمة واحد عنده خدمة. Just checking up on you. Hope you all are doing great. I'll see you نيكم انتم in like a few, not even like in a split second, but لينا I don't know when. Okay, bye. بعد ما جي فيلمي اختي اللي توا شفتوها جا رياليزي زبني نقوم تحليت شباك باش نعمل شعري ونحضر، مش نحضر روحي ما يعني فهمت. I somewhat get ready, do my hair, maybe a bit of makeup, and then maybe grab a quick thing to eat وكاهو معناها نبدل شوية الجو ونرجع نخدم. مش نجم نركز. تما خذيت كيراستاز products. I got these كلهم دي سيروم، وهذيا اللي تحطوا في عندي فيديو unboxing للانستغرام انستغرام وفي التيك توك زوز تنجموا تلقاهم غاديكا. but if you guys are interested نجم نحكي لكم عليهم. اما جاني هذايا كادو معاهم، هو زيت معناها une huile pour les cheveux و I've been using it consistently every single day الصباح مش في الليل و honestly it does what it does. It does what it says. donc yes I like it. ندير الفيرسيون هاي قداش هذه 30 مل. مازلت ما حديتهاش خاطر مازلت نستعمل في هذايا بنقلب توفة. but I'll be repurchasing 100%. Oh my god, look at the sun. Like, can you believe this? Oh my god, you're not ready for this. I'm so excited. I got this pair of shoes because I got, oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god. I'm so excited to wear these. So I have a bag that I got as a gift and it was pink, but I wanted pink shoes to go with it for when I'm feeling cute. So this is what I got. Love it.